Now, on the top right corner, okay, on the top right corner, you all have speaker view or gallery view. If you all basically hit speaker view, if it's on gallery view, put it on speaker view. If it's on speaker view, leave it as it is. Basically, you need to be on a screen where you see everyone the same. When we are doing one-to-one lessons, the easiest way to do it is if you change on that thing I was saying. So if you go on top right, you've got speaker view or gallery view. Change it from what it is to the other one, that you can see everyone. Down here, there is a chat. Can you see me write on it? I have already written something on it. What is it? So in the bottom.
Hello.
Hello.
Can you all see what I've written?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, Jose, what did I say? So basically, this is when, if we are doing lessons online, is where I will write you the classwork and the homework, okay? Now, if this is one lesson or two, I'll do it like that. If it becomes, I don't know, 2 months, I will make a Google Doc, and then you will see it on the Google, okay?
Losing my temper soon.
If I need to send you an MP3, or you need to send me an MP3, in the chat, do you see file?
Yeah.
Yeah?
File.
File, click on the chat, on the right, there is file. Click that.
Yeah.
So let's say we are doing a lesson and I need to send you an MP3. I just drag it, you see it? Next point. If you have problems and you want me to see your screen, there is a button down there which is share screen. Let's go to audio settings. At the bottom, there's the microphone. So this is what I wanted to tell you. Can you all see leave computer audio?
Yeah.
That's all. So if, whenever we are having a chat, there are problems from your side to hear me, you just put that on. Ideally, we never use it, but it basically kills echo, this thing, when you put leave computer audio. Generally, we leave it off. Okay? Everybody clear? So I move on to video now?
Yeah, move on. Yeah.
Clear. Okay. Now, we're gonna go to the video. So there is another, next to the video, there is another menu. And you are all seeing video settings, correct?
Yeah.
Now, look at me and look at me. I've just changed, okay? This is my mobile camera. If I want, and if you want, these things cost only £20 on Amazon. 1 second. This is my laptop camera. On the top of my laptop camera, I have a USB camera, which if I change, so basically if you have a USB connected to this place, it would show 2 cameras. So if I choose the other camera, now I am on the mixer. Now I am down here. So if I am, for example, playing the guitar and I want to show you what my right hand is doing, I can show you that way. I also have this, which means I can connect it. I can connect that to the top of my guitar, connect the thing, connect that camera, and then you will see basically something like this. Yeah, you would see the guitar closer that way. So if I put this in the rack mount, you see it that way. Not all of you would have that because I've got a friend to do it for me. But I mean, you can move your camera wherever you want. Now you are seeing yourselves, for example. Now you are seeing my coronavirus. Now you are seeing the guitar from there, not from there. Now I'm gonna put it back on the edge of my computer, and you're gonna see me as I was before. So that's a facility to improve how you project yourself to me. Why am I saying all these? So that lessons go faster. And I'm saying all this because this could be 2 weeks, could be 2 months. We don't know. Now, the most important thing. Let's say I need to solo. With Skype, and Alex can attest to this, that's why sometimes we go on Google Hangouts. With Skype, unfortunately, sometimes, not always, the backing track gets cut off. And that's another reason why we need external speakers, so the backing track is louder. But with Zoom, this doesn't happen. So if, for example, I have a young Alex ukulele player or young Aaron, and I tell them, play your accompaniment and the melody, and play the accompaniment with it. On Skype, I would either hear the ukulele or the backing track, but not both, sometimes. On one second, because I'm gonna get a backing track from my computer, because to open, can you all close your data again? Sorry, not your data, your, no, okay, I'm here. Can you all hear me solo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And don't speak on top of each other, just use thumbs up. Can you all hear me? Can you all hear the backing track and my guitar? So this could be instead, for example, I could be, I don't have the music in front of me now, but it could be something like this, where instead I have a melody.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And I play on the ukulele. So now I'm playing the backing track from the CD. You're all hearing it? You're all hearing the backing track from the CD?
Yeah.
Yeah? Stephen? What do you want to teach?
Jesus.
Conga?
Moss.
You can go. Here, they can hear the music and you can talk over.
Your nightmares.
Oh. Careful, I don't want the pen catches the E.
Okay.
Just like a virus.
Exactly. I don't have a crown, but
Thought it was a virus.
Que estava ballant. Es posa una màscara.
I forgot I had this in the
No
film.
ballant.
All right. Not too many.
Corona
Yeah.
extra. Nino! Welcome to London. Kif inti?
Tajja, mux kazi.
Allora jena mort sa Malta u ħat d-ġemjajt naqa u sebt naqa xemxem. Għawek inti x-sibt?
Ja, sebt ħafna xita.
Alright. Allora xetajdilom fuq YouTube tal-CoolGoolMusic.
Ja, CoolGoolMusic. Nejdu għan biex ħanamlu naqaħet.
Alright.
Ija, mela ħafna.
U xieġri bil-hits.
Essa, mux intikom regaljen.
Alright. Prosit, mela nafdaw fidejk. Aħna jena mara 500 subscriber ħanajdilom xie tfisser il-kelma Goolu, specialment għal dawk l-Inglisi li ma jafux. Gool. Umbat forsi jien naf narmlu xie arranġament ma' 600 subscriber special melant Nino. Għalissa ma najdu l-om xini. Ikonu jafu la jilfu. Okay.